If your team is interested in leveling up its facilitation and design thinking capabilities, New Haircut offers team-based training workshops. In this example, you're seeing a recent workshop we led with the Hartford, where 18 of their user experience members came to learn together about advanced facilitation techniques. The workshop can be structured in 1 or 2 day formats where your team will not only get a chance to practice the frameworks, but also the tools that enable remote and distributed innovation, whether it's Mural, Miro, or Freehand. At New Haircut, we offer workshops covering design thinking fundamentals, advanced design sprints, problem framing, and advanced facilitation. Get in touch with us if you'd like to learn more about training workshops for your team.